everybody. Well, today we're going to learn how to make some spooky healthy snacks for the Halloween, okay? So, we're going to learn how to make two different snacks. For the first snack, what you need is a red apple, okay? We also need some marshmallows, but these marshmallows must be small and they must be white. You're going to see in a second why. And we are also going to need peanut butter. For us to create this snack, the first thing that we need to do is cut our apple. Okay, we're going to cut it like this, and we're going then to cut it once again into, we're going to only use two different slices. Okay, so the rest of it you can put it apart. And what we are going to do is that we will create a mouth with this. The apple are going to be the lips, and we are going to put some peanut butter on each slice because the marshmallows are going to be the teeth, and we need the peanut butter for them to stick to the apple. If you don't like that much peanut butter, you can replace it for chocolate, well, melted chocolate, or any other ingredient that has a similar texture, okay? It's not necessary for you to put a lot of peanut butter. It's only the necessary for the teeth to stick, the marshmallow to stick to this, okay? So once that we have done it like that, remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. The important thing is the flavor. Now we're going to choose one of our slices, and we will put some teeth, well, some marshmallows on top of it. You can be as creative as you want. Maybe you want to put a missing tooth. Okay, in my case, I'm going to create the complete mouth. So we have it like that, and now we're going just to put the other slice of the apple in order for us to create the teeth. And this is how it should be, the final product, okay? So let's just put it like that. This is actually very delicious, and as I told you, we don't have a lot of sugar in it, so it's also quite healthy. Then, for the second snack, we're actually going only to use two ingredients. We need some small sausages, and we're also going to need a slice of cheese. What we will do is that you will take your sausage, and this is going to be a finger. So we will make some cuts, okay, on it, just to make it look like a real finger. And at the top of the sausage, we're going to cut it in half, because in here we're going to put the nail. And as you guessed correctly, for us to put the nail of the finger, we're going to use our cheese. So what you need to do is cut the cheese in the shape of a nail. It doesn't have to be perfect, because remember that these are supposed to be kind of spooky, okay? You can create different shapes of nail. I'm going to use the normal one. As you can see, this nail is quite big, so I will cut it a little bit tinier. Okay, just like that. Let's see if this works. Okay, we can just put it like that maybe. So this is one of them. Let's put the other one. And we're going to repeat the exact same procedure. We will do two small cuts in the middle of the sausage, just for it to resemble a real finger. And once again, at the top of the sausage, we're going to cut it in half. We're going to remove this part, and we will use our cheese to make the shape of a nail. Let's see. Okay, this one is way too big, so we're going to cut it a little bit smaller. As I told you, remember that this doesn't have to be perfect, okay? And then we have our other finger. And in here, an extra ingredient that you can have, well, here I already had other one, is that you can add ketchup for it to look like blood and make the snack a little bit scarier. If you don't like ketchup, you can omit this step, but we can have it like this. Okay, so these are our two snacks that I believe they are very delicious, and also they are quite healthy. So you can prepare them with your family, with friends. If you're going to have a party, you already know, or you can make or prepare any of these two snacks. Okay, I hope that you have learned something in this video, and happy Halloween to you all, guys. Bye.